Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the alignment of your taskbar so all the apps are on the left side, kind of like, I don't know, Windows 7 or something. But this is very easy to do. We can right-click on the taskbar, and you can see there's taskbar settings right here that'll pop up. And otherwise, we can just go to Personalize under Settings, and you can see it right here. So we can go on down to taskbar. So on the left, it will say Personalize under Settings. So just go to Personalize and then scroll on down to Taskbar, and we can change it under here. So let's go to Taskbar, and then we will have the option to change it. So let's go to Taskbar Behaviors, and now we have this option right here for alignment. We can change this from center. It'll look like this. Now we can go to the left. It'll look like this. So maybe not a big difference at all, but if you only have a few apps, it might make a difference. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel down below.